Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Chemistry with TV. So here's my second question, wherein also we have to find out the empirical and molecular formula of a hydrocarbon, which is given to us in the form of CXH5Y. So now you know that when this hydrocarbon combusts, then in that case the reaction is going to be CXHY plus O2 gives us X moles of carbon dioxide and Y divided by 2 moles of water. So the Y over 2 moles of oxygen from here and 2x moles from here. So therefore by just solving this we would get X plus Y divided by 4 moles of oxygen over here. Now we are given that we started with 15 centimeters cube of the hydrocarbon, and excess amount of oxygen was 60 centimeters cube, and we are told that the final volume was 45 centimeters cube, which is, so 45 centimeters cube was equal to the unreacted oxygen, okay, out of 60 plus the amount of carbon dioxide which formed. The amount of carbon dioxide formed we can find out because the volume decreased to 15 centimeters cube. It was 45 and decreased to 15 centimeters cube on treatment with NaOH, and NaOH had removed the carbon dioxide. So we can understand that 30 moles of carbon dioxide must have been formed. Now you can see that the ratio of CXHY and carbon dioxide is 1 to 2. So therefore the number of moles of carbon dioxide is equal to 2, or X is equal to 2. Okay, now you see the volume that was left after the combustion, it was 45 is equal to unreacted oxygen plus carbon dioxide. If we have found out the carbon dioxide which is unreacted, we can find out by subtracting the volume of carbon dioxide from here, which was 30. So this is 15, which is the unreacted oxygen. Now we started with 60 centimeters cube of oxygen and we were left with 15 centimeters cube unreacted. So therefore the amount of oxygen which reacted was 60 minus 15, or 45 centimeters cube. Now you can see that the ratio of CXHY to the oxygen here is 1 to 3. So that means X plus Y divided by 4 is equal to 3, and when we solve this then we get X here we have already found out was 2, so we can substitute X with 2. So Y divided by 4 here is equal to 1, so Y is equal to 4. So therefore the formula of the hydrocarbon becomes C2H4, or ethene. I hope you were able to understand this problem, and thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video in this series. Good luck and bye bye.